Hello, so today I'm gonna review my Clear Denial bed. So I have my Clear Denial bed for the first one, but now this is the best one. It's because I covered it gold sequence and I have a hook. It's actually a rainbow loom hook. I made a crochet hook and I put shoes here and headbands. It's actually Barbies or Sassies. So here's my Clear Denial Cobra style headband. I don't know if it's gonna fit, but I'm gonna try my best to fit it. I'm so sorry because I didn't cover this with gold. It's hard to cover it. And I layer it in some cardboard. It's actually my tablet box. If you saw my room tour, bedroom tour, or whatever. So this is my best part yet ever. It's the headboard and this hot. I was supposed to put hot glue, but tape is much better. And I uneven cut them so they're much like monsterifying like that. And I put some drops of liquid eraser because liquid eraser is better than paint. And I put some little stars. I don't know if you can see it. Oh, there. Then I put some little shiny rainbow plastic, if you can see. Oh my gosh, that's so light. I just got it from my friend, or the package that she got, and I cover it with gold. It's actually 12" because my tablet is 12". I don't know if it's 12". Because Barbie is 18". So cannot fit in here. It's just a review and not how to make this one. So yeah, I put Clear Denial here with a heart. I don't know if you can see that there. And here with a heart there. And another extra cardboard, and I put some sequins, some paper apple, and that means love, and some correction liquid thing, and correction liquid thing with a heart and a nine. It's gripping, that's why I said that. So next is the secret compartment that I really love. So it's actually a jewelry box, but if you prefer not to cut the side, it's okay, but I prefer to cut the sides because they're not moving anymore. And I glued the bottom only. And if you don't like this as a jewelry box, just put Clear Denial's dress like that. Or if you don't like Clear Denial at all, but I really love Cleo because she's a total royalty. And you can put Frankie's clothes, shoes, like that. And my most favorite part is my earrings that I don't use anymore. I just poke them through these holes because they don't have any secure thing like that. And this is my most favorite, but I didn't use this at all. Really, I didn't use it. And I used this one, this turquoise. I know, ocean breeze earrings that I just pulled through, and it's two. And I put all of my sequins. That's why I all ran out of sequins. Okay, this does set the half. So, oops, sorry. Here I put my hair clips, my ponytails, and green and pink really go together. Even my bracelet. And here is just all my jewelries, what I bought and from my friend. Oops, sorry. Dang. Then when you put it together, if you don't like only one piece, you can put, dang ceiling. Now you have your drawer. That's easy to make and it's so fun. Especially those earrings dangling here and there. And yes, I'm in love with Monster High, but I don't have yet. So welcoming properly cleaned it out to my family. Because my first hidden vial is broken. Sorry. So bye. Please like, subscribe, comment, down below, and have another videos. So bye.